In this video, I'm going to tell you how to go get the player from the project settings. We go here to edit, and then we go to project settings. See I have player. Now, as you can tell, we're going to go to our tutorial today, and it says other settings that we're going to go into in the other tab. After selecting a new input system, you'll be asked to restart the Unity. Alright, we're into project settings of the player, and then we go to other settings, and then we just kind of scroll down a little bit. Alright, and then we go back to our tutorial, and then it goes into select the new input system. Do you ask to restart the Unity like we said? So it's going to go all the way down, see here, to active input handling. That's what we're going to do, input system package. So we're going to scroll down, like on here. As you can see, we have the active input handling from our tutorial. Then we go to input new system, which you're going to apply. Then resolving packages, installing packages. We got like 34 or 64 right now, so we're still uploading. Alright. And what we're going to do is clean up the engine and clean up some other sources. As you can see, we're compiling scripts, script compilation, the shader graph editor. Alright, we're back to our tutorial. And we're going to be adding the AR input manager. As you can see, the AR input manager in Unity's AR Foundation is a component that manages input in AR applications. It serves as a central point for handling AR-specific input data, such as touch gestures, camera movement, and device orientation. This manager is essential for creating interactive and user-responsive AR experiences as it efficiently processes and translates real-world user interactions into actions within the AR environment. So like it says, we're going to select session game object in the hierarchy, and then add the AR input manager via add component. Alright, what I'm doing is project settings for the AR. I have to back it up a little bit and go to the XR plugin management. You just see here. And then we go to the Android, because we already have the plugin for the XR initialized for Windows, Mac, and Linux settings. So we go to Android, and we'll go to Oculus. Alright, and then you'll see we have our AR. What we can do is another one, you go to hierarchy, go to XR, then go to AR session. I have 2 sessions here, so I tried to do this earlier. And you can tell that we have the AR session script, and it blocks each render frame until the next AR frame is ready. And then we go to our tutorial. As you can see, we had XR AR session origin. Now we're going to go to the AR script. We got to make sure that it has the attempt update and match frame rate. And tracking is position and rotation. So we got the script, we got attempt update, the match frame rate, and then we have the position and rotation. We go back to our tutorial, and then you can check for device support for the scripting and stuff. And then we go scroll down to the AR session origin. And then we have for this origin, and then we have the AR camera under the script. Alright, everything looks good. Alright, what I added here was the AR input manager. I added the camera, and then you can see I have the AR camera manager script going. I have the AR camera background script if I wanted to, and the HD additional camera set. Alright, we're done with that now. Alright, next on our tutorial from Medium.com is the Input Action Manager. The Input Action Manager in Unity is a component that handles input actions within the new input system. It allows developers to define and manage complex input actions like button presses, gestures, or movement inputs. This manager makes it easier to organize and respond to various user inputs in a structured and efficient manner, crucial for creating responsive and interactive gaming or application experiences. For those interested in exploring the Input Manager in greater detail, additional information be provided in their reference. This resource offers a comprehensive look into the functionalities and applications of the Input Manager, enhancing your understanding and proficiency in utilizing this component in your projects. What we're going to do is select XR Origin, XR Reg game object in your hierarchy. Okay, what we want to do is go to our hierarchy here. We right click and then go to XR. And then we're going to go to XR Origin, mobile R. And then we're going to come over here to XR Origin. Make sure everything is good. You can see that we have the script XR Origin. We have the XR Origin for the game object, the camera offset, the main camera. We want to go back to our tutorial. And as you can see, we have the XR Origin, the camera offset, the main camera. The tracking mode is not specified. What we want to do is add in our Input Action Manager, which is the XRI default input actions.